Let's talk about how to grow your hair out properly in order to get that nice layered flow haircut, which is so popular right now. Let's talk about what actually is a flow. So when I brush my hands or use this anti-static vent brush, this is my favorite vent brush of all time because yes, it's anti-static, which means that you're not getting flyaways and it's not sticking up all over the place. Very, very helpful. The flow is basically a cosmetic name or term for when you brush your hair back, it looks like it just flows into itself. What does that actually mean? Well, in technical terms, it's a good haircut. It's a blended haircut. It's a layered haircut where everything is flowing into itself. That's really technically what it means, in my opinion, right? And I've been doing these haircuts for so many years that it's almost like, okay, it's called a flow, but it's really just a layered haircut. So if you're growing your hair, let's just say your hair is much shorter and you want to grow it out, there's going to be a few things that you need to do properly. The first thing is, depending on who you're going to, make sure you have a hair professional that is going to understand and know your hair. What does your hair do? What doesn't it do? The texture, the density, all those things. They have to really know your hair really well. If you're somebody who just jumps around from person to person, place to place, chances are it's going to be a very difficult process of growing your hair into the style that you want. So what you need to do is, sometimes my best advice is just grow your hair to where it's extremely long. It's the length you want it to be. Just grow it out. It's going to look real messy. Just grow it, right? Because it's easier to work off of that than not, okay? It's easier to have hair to work off of, so then you go in and you find someone who's good at cutting, and then you're able to create a good haircut. The next thing is, when, this is the biggest question I get asked all the time, when do I get it? A haircut. What do I do? How often? I'm growing it out. Well, what you want to do is make sure that the person who's cutting your hair is cutting it to grow out into that shape. Meaning, if you have a mullet, for example, or some sort of awkward shape to where this was, completely long, it's down to here, this is super short, you might need to cut some of that to balance it out and shape it to grow it out. So you may have to sacrifice some hair in order to make it grow out easier. So that one trim, that one cut throughout the head may help you where it's 3 months down the road, 4 months down the road, your hair is going to actually look better. If your hair is already fairly evenly balanced and you grow it out, chances are it's going to grow into its own shape. You just have to be very, very patient. What happens is most people, they don't grow their hair long enough. So if you're growing your hair out and you want to have that flow, keep in mind that the hair is usually a lot longer than you think it needs to be. So for example, if I were to pull this down, this comes all the way to like the eye or almost the bridge of the nose. Most times people think like, oh, I got to grow my hair to like here and that's it. No. If it's sitting here, that means it's like twice as long. Hair will jump and shrink back up like this. So you have to really almost overgrow your hair, and it's not just like two pieces in the front. It's all of this. Look how long all of this hair is, the entire top. Because in order to have it flow, you could see how much hair is all the way back here. So you have to really, really grow your hair to the point where you think it's like ridiculous. Chances are that's probably the length it needs to be. And then lastly, it's finding someone who understands haircut shapes and layering and balancing. You may have to go to a hairstylist instead of a barber, or just find someone in your area. You could even use ChatGPT or any sort of technology, Gemini, to search like who is good at cutting men's haircut layers in my area, zip code, whatever. And you may find someone because it's going to search the internet for reviews and this and that. So find someone who really, really is good at flows, and it could be a haircut, a barber, or a hairstylist, just a hair professional, and then commit to that person. So in order to grow your hair out properly, there's a number of things that you need to, have in order, and I hope that you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you're planning on growing your hair out in 2026 into this type of hairstyle. I'd love to know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.